You're watching Second Mate Generation Tips, Tricks AMP tutorial. Now your host Second Officer Dana. If you are aspiring deck officer, this video is for you. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel and click notification bell so you won't miss any of our video.
Good day mga sir, in today's video, I will give you a tips here in Voyager 8 about the inventory. So we will open our Voyager 8 and we will click this inventory. So this inventory here, as you can see, ABCS, paper charge, digital publication. This is paper publication. Okay, so now here, this is my holdings in ABCS. You can see here the permit status and also the expiry date. When you make a route planning in Voyager 8, then only add to basket and request permit for those ENC digital publication, paper chart if you are not paperless. I am waiting now to fix my next voyage. As you can see in my order basket above, I already add to basket all ENC and digital publication that I need in my next voyage. Here, you can export report of your ENC inventory, either PDF or CSV format for filing. Also, you can use this and compare with your Eclipse update status report if they are the same. This is my paper chart, and even though I am full Eclipse, I have still paper chart for planning and use for reference. Also, I can use this for safe anchoring when both Eclipse is failure, provided that it is maintained up to date. You can see the status here, up to date, if the correction is maintained up to date, and also showing old edition if this chart has new edition. As you can see the order status, if not required, also showing not required, and the other one is when you see here on order, meaning to say it is auto supply if your company is contract with GNS. If you receive paper chart, when you update your Voyager, the holdings also update in showing order status is supplied. You will need sometimes to verify if those listed here is the same with your actual inventory on board. If not, you can manually edit by clicking the info icon, change the edition date, and click save. You can export report here, either PDF or CSV format, and you can file this also. So here, this is a digital publication, and here is the paper publication. So if you need some changes here, you need to send a sync update to Voyager so that it will update also in the Voyager cloud. Okay, so today I will show you, I will change something here in paper chart. I have a paper chart here on board that is not listed here in my inventory. So as you can see, I have 1547 and it is not listed here. Okay, so all you need to do is just click add from catalog, and the catalog will open, and you just type 1547 in the search. Paper chart, you click this paper chart first and just type here in the search option 1547, and as you can see here, I have click the active charts, passive chart. Okay, so you will click this active chart. Please confirm that you would like to add one chart in folio, and then click yes. Okay, so now we will go back to my inventory. So here I have already 1547, and let me check the edition. So I have onward edition 17 May 2018, the same. Okay, so here the status will show out of date because this particular notice to mariners is not yet applied. So as you can see, unapplied. So if this is your official chart, official paper chart, you need to apply this one. Just click and print this and apply to your BAE paper chart. Okay, so you can see here. So you need to apply this one. Okay, just close, and then I need to add one more, 3 more, 1548. As you can see, it's not listed here in my inventory. So add from catalog and 1548. Okay, 1548 here. Just check and add 2 holdings. Click add to holdings and click active chart and click yes. Okay, if you have some more to add, you just type here. So I add 1549 and add to holdings, click active chart and click yes. Okay, so I will go back to inventory. So when I will search now, you can see that this BAE paper chart is already added to my inventory. So once you change here in your inventory, you need to send a sync update. That is very important, because if you don't send a sync update after you receive an update in the email update, these changes will not effective, and disregard these changes. Okay, now we will go to paper publication. So here I have cybersecurity. I received this cybersecurity workbook on board ship. So as you can see here, this is old edition, but actually I have already this one. I will show you here. So the status is supplied. They supply this one, but it is not updated here. So you need to manually put here 2nd 2021. As you can see, up to date. If you mistake putting here, if you only put 2021, and still it will show here as old edition. So you need to make it the same as latest edition here. Okay, after that, so you will click the save, click yes, and just close. 49. CFR 49. Let me check. Okay, here. CFR. As you can see here, CFR 49. 100 to 177. It is already old edition, and I need this to if you need this urgently, you can add this to basket. You can request this one. It is auto supply, but since the order status is supplied and not showing any orders or order on order, I need to manually request this book because I need this in my next voyage. So I will click the add to basket. Okay, so next I have CG 515. So it is not showing. You can put here meet. As you can see here, meet 515. The onboard edition is 2020-2021. The latest edition is 2021 to 2022. So you also need to manually add to basket this one, and later on send request. Okay. So now I will go to dashboard, and to make effect of these changes in my inventory, I need to send a sync update so that when I receive an email update in Tuesday, I will it will make changes also here in inventory. It will take effect because when I send the sync update now, also the inventory in the Voyager Cloud will change. They will also change. Okay, so you know, previously I already show you I sent a sync update using this option. Now I will show you. I will click this send sync update. So the same procedure, you will need to attach the file and send a sync update to BPS sync. Okay, so that's all. This is the end of my video. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.